Spectators thronged the stadium to watch favorite star perform. The spectators means watcher, darshak. Imagine I went to the stadium to watch favorite player. Does it sound complete? Not really. You immediately ask, whose favorite player? That means my favorite player, their favorite player, etc. For example, I want to meet favorite teacher. Listen carefully. I want to meet favorite teacher. गलत. It feels incomplete. आई वॉन्ट टू मीट माई फेवरेट टीचर या फिर आई वॉन्ट टू मीट देयर फेवरेट टीचर, ये करेक्ट हुआ. सी द सेंटेंस. द स्पेक्टेटर्स फ्रॉम द स्टेडियम टू वॉच फेवरेट स्टार परफॉर्म. थ्रॉन्ग मीन्स होता है क्राउडेड इनटू, क्राउड या फिर गेदर्ड इन लार्ज नंबर्स. थ्रॉन्ग मीन्स क्राउडेड इनटू या फिर गेदर्ड इन लार्ज नंबर्स. लेट्स रीचेक द सेंटेंस. द स्पेक्टेटर्स throng the stadium to watch favorite star perform. Favorite star perform. It feels incomplete. Whose favorite star? Whose? So here need is the spectators throng the stadium to watch their favorite star perform. That means many fans crowded into a stadium. Why? To watch their favorite star perform. Grammar rule. Before a singular countable noun like a star, teacher, player, singer, we usually need an article, a, an, and the, or a possessive determiner. My, your, his, her, their. Example: my favorite singer, my favorite player, my favorite teacher. So the correct sentence is the spectators throng the stadium to watch their favorite star perform. Which one among the following statements related to electric cells is correct? Electric cell. What is electric cell? So electric cells means convert chemical energy into electrical energy. Example: dry cell, alkaline cell are primary cell, and lead acid battery, lithium ion battery are secondary cell. Primary cell means used once. That means एक बार यूज फिर समाप्त. Used once cannot be recharged. Example: TV remote battery, wall clock battery. Secondary cell rechargeable. That means बार बार चार्ज करके उपयोग. Rechargeable can be recharged many times. Example: mobile battery, laptop battery, car battery. A primary cell is rechargeable? No. A primary cell cannot be recharged, इसलिए ये गलत है. A secondary cell can be used only once? No. Secondary cells are rechargeable, ये भी गलत. The EMF of a battery is the power provided by the battery per unit current. EMF means electromotive force. Despite its name, it is not a force. It is actually energy supplied by battery per unit charge. Formula: EMF equal to energy by charge, and इसका यूनिट होगा वोल्ट. वोल्टेज EMF equals to energy by charge and power equals to energy by time. The EMF of a battery is the power provided by the battery per unit current. Let's check. Power P equals to VI. Therefore V equals to P by I. But voltage and EMF are measured in volts. So mathematically EMF equals to power by current. Correct है, मतलब सही है. तो ये ऑप्शन हमारा सही है. The unit of EMF is joule. Unit of EMF is volt, not joule. इसलिए ये गलत होगा. तो हमारा आंसर होगा C. The EMF of a battery is the power provided by the battery per unit current. An object is placed at a distance of 15 cm in front of a concave mirror with a radius of curvature of 20 cm. Which one among the following statements is correct for the image formed? इमेज कहाँ बनेगा ये पता लगाने के लिए पहले हमें ऑब्जेक्ट का पोजीशन फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. गिवन ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस u इज इक्वल टू 15 सेंटीमीटर एंड r इज इक्वल टू 20 सेंटीमीटर माइनस, क्योंकि ऑब्जेक्ट इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ कॉन्केव मिरर इसलिए माइनस. r रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर मीन्स द लेंथ बिटवीन फोकस एंड पोल r इक्वल टू 20 सेंटीमीटर. हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट है यहाँ पे. सो f इक्वल टू r बाई 2 10 सेंटीमीटर. f इक्वल्स टू माइनस 10 सेंटीमीटर. माइनस एंड प्लस साइन इट टेल्स, ये बताता है इज द ऑब्जेक्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर. ऑब्जेक्ट मिरर के सामने है या फिर मिरर के पीछे. इज द ऑब्जेक्ट इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर और बिहाइंड इट. इज द इमेज रियल और वर्चुअल. इज द फोकस इन फ्रंट और बिहाइंड. फ्रॉम मिरर फॉर्मूला. तो एफ एफ मार 10 इक्वल टू 1 बाई v प्लस 1 बाई माइनस. Therefore, image equals to 30 centimeter in front of the mirror. माइनस साइन में बताता है ये इमेज बनेगा इन फ्रंट ऑफ मिरर 30 सेंटीमीटर दूरी पर. दैट मीन्स इमेज इज 30 सेंटीमीटर इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर and negative sign tell image distance from a mirror indicates a real image. If object is between F and C, image forms beyond C, real and magnified. Our object is between C and F. Therefore, image will form beyond C. चूँकि C 20 सेंटीमीटर की दूरी पर है, इसलिए इमेज ऑब्जेक्ट की ओर 20 सेंटीमीटर से अधिक दूरी पर बनना चाहिए. Now let's check options. The image is 30 centimeter from the mirror on the same side as the object. Yes, one ही सही हो गया. In front of mirror means same side as the object. 30 centimeter means image is 30 centimeter away from the mirror. And negative sign indicates image is formed in front of the mirror. यहाँ पर हमारा बनेगा image. If object position is behind C, then image position between C and F. C and F. If object position at C, then image position at C. If object position between C and F, then image form beyond C. C के पीछे. If object position is at F, then image form at infinity. If object position is between F and mirror, then image form behind mirror. Today she was an accomplished singer because she had trained under an acclaimed guru in her youth. That means आज वह एक बेहतरीन सिंगर है क्योंकि उसने अपने यंग एज में एक फेमस प्रसिद्ध गुरु से म्यूजिक सीखा था. Accomplished means a person who has become highly skilled singer through practice. Acclaimed means praised by many people. In simple words, acclaimed means famous. Today she was an accomplished. Today means present time, and was means past time. That means present and past एक ही साथ. Not match time and tense. The problem is was क्योंकि today is present time and was is past time. So यहाँ पे होगा is. Today she was an accomplished singer because she had trained under an acclaimed guru in her youth. We are talking about her current identity. Today she is an accomplished singer. The training happened earlier. That means she is a skilled singer today because she learned music from a famous guru when she was young. Imagine today is 2026. If she is an accomplished singer today, then we should say is not was. तो correct sentence होगा today she is an accomplished singer because she had trained under an acclaimed guru in her youth. The problem is here. Either my brothers or my friend are coming to receive me at the airport. That means या तो मेरे भाई मुझे एयरपोर्ट लेने आएंगे या मेरा फ्रेंड आएगा. That means either my brothers will come or my friend will come to pick me up from the airport. Either means one of two possibilities. That means a choice between two possibilities or alternatives. In Hindi, either means या तो. For example, you can have either tea or coffee. Either my brothers or my friend are coming to receive me at the airport. Check which subject is nearest to the verb my friend and my friend is singular. इसलिए यहाँ पे is coming होगा, are coming नहीं होगा. So the correct sentence is either my brothers or my friend is coming to receive me at the airport. Either or rule. The verb follows the nearest subject. Let's explain in each words. Like rule, either A or B. Verb follows B and neither A nor B